Okay, Sundowns showed up namhlanje and they really want to stem their authority. But their problem is still there. The problem about two conceded goals. They truly concede goals because in 4 games they've conceded 5 goals. So that is not very good for a team that is chasing to win a Betway Premiership. And also, speaking about chasing a Betway Premiership, it's not only that they are looking to defend ICAF Champions League, Sundowns, because they are reigning champions of ICAF Champions League. If they don't fix their problems defensively, I don't think they're going to actually defend that, and it's going to be very hard also to challenge for a Betway Premiership. They truly need to actually shut. They need to shut that back door and ensure that they start to get some clean sheet. I think introduction Eka Williams back probably was going to rectify that problem, but it didn't actually truly rectify that problem. After of course considered equal over the weekend, this didn't actually alleviate the problem. Instead, they were punished twice. So that speaks of problems with defense, and particularly some of those problems comes from wing play, because I think Amazon somehow had learned that if they come from wing plays and actually play Amapola behind the defensive models and downs, and everybody is chasing for those balls, it's always going to be problematic for any defense to defend facing their own goal. Probably they need to actually try and fix that in terms of fullback wabo, ensure that when they go forward, somebody covers for them, because if those spaces that they leave behind are exploited, they are going to see themselves always conceding goals where they actually should have kept a clean sheet. So I'm hoping that Miguel Cardoso will fix that, because if you look at the middle, he truly addressed the problem by corner, because defensible was always exposed, hence so many goals that they conceded. So Tebo Khonkona is back and he was playing alongside Mkhulise, and also in center pairing corner they introduced a veteran Kekana, but it didn't really help in terms of shutting that back door, because Ungwenya scored twice. So that's actually continued to speak to their problem at the back that they really need to fix. And I think offensively, they are very good, because one has been absent for some times, but he came in and actually scored a very beautiful kick and that technique. I think maybe Uzwaizo Longiti Urediopana is the best technically gifted striker right now with the Premiership, and then he went on and I don't know, but and that was angazi ngayibiza ngani, but that was lela goal laka Leon. So I think it was a beautiful encounter, and I've said that Sundowns, I think they have found a working combination. If Umayilole izodlala 10, then kube khona Matthews noNdlovu. I don't know. We need I don't know, man. But Squishy is he doesn't need to show up in other games and not on the other games. I think he need to work on his consistency to ensure that he deliver week in, week out, because his Sundowns, I think, is a little bit a step higher. Not a little bit step higher, it's a step higher from Eagle and Arrows. And I think it's more demanding than where he's from. So he needs to actually acclimatize himself with the fact that he needs to deliver week in, week out, in terms of our performances work like Sundown. So Amazulu had like to Coach Atazan. I think he's building a very beautiful team like Amazulu. Unfortunately, they conceded 5 goals themselves. So they made Sundown. That was like a house on fire. Also playing at home, also wanting to actually stem the authority, and actually initiate that dominant, which they did. So I'd like to him. I'm hoping that he is going to dust himself up, and when he faces Richards Bay, he would have actually fixed some mistakes that he actually had perceived against Sundowns, which led him to actually, or led his side to actually concede 5 goals. It's not acceptable for a team that is big as Amazon to actually concede so many goals as 5 goals. But I'm hoping Coach Adozan is a very, very good coach. I'm hoping that he's going to fix those problems and address them correctly. And his team, I think they will learn from what happened against the Sundowns and become an even better team. We've seen how good Amazulu have been, but I think namhlanje they were unfortunate and find Sundowns with a refreshed Mukwena, who's been out of the game for a while, who really, really wanted to actually grind for a result. And we know Rembula Mabe, he wants to grind for a result. He does that, and he will get those results if you want to. So that's how that good that guy is. So hard luck to Amazulu. Congratulations to Sundowns, Coach Miguel Cardoso and his technical team. I think little by little they are finding a team that is going to actually compete in all fronts for the Mamelodi Sundowns. So this is Nevertheless Commentary. This is Kamanam Support Sport. Your favorite Ank on the net, the Black Italian himself. From me to you, I'm saying Pronto Pia Seri. Sonmona Gekimelandelayo, Pali Parrot, Chiefs, or Sundowns. I don't know which one is going to come first, but we'll see you then. Don't forget to smash it up. Also tell us what you think about the game of Sundowns. Amazulu 5-2 la 7-goal 3 la iminywana phezulu. Yo, 7 goals. Damn. Okay, get cool. Bye bye.